Hi, welcome to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. If this is your first time to the channel, I want to say thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit like and subscribe down below and click on the notifications under your settings to be notified every time I upload a video. And if this is not your first time back, I want to say welcome back. And this is a really fun, family, cute video. So as you can see in my appearance, I am really bummy right now. This is because I am in house clothes. I decided to be organic in this video and show you some recipes that you can put together for you and your family for today's launch of Disney Plus. Now, a couple of these snacks are based on some movies I'm really excited I get to watch now. This is delicious. You want to know how I made it? Stay tuned. So for this little treat, I have some melted white chocolate morsels. Microwaved them for about a minute and a half, depending. I just kind of did it until it was completely melted, but in increments of 30 seconds. These blue mini M&Ms and yellow mini M&Ms. So what I'm going to do is sprinkle the M&Ms throughout the bowl. And you can do more or less depending on your preference. And then you just drizzle in the white chocolate. Yeah, that's gonna take me a minute. So hang tight while I do that right quick. And just like movie magic, it's in there. You're gonna go ahead and just fold and stir and combine the popcorn with the M&Ms until it's mixed all together. And since I grabbed off the amount that I want and I feel like it's not enough M&Ms, add some more and sprinkle right on the top. You can't do enough with too much M&Ms. And there you are. You have your Flounder Popcorn. Now, for this drink, I mixed the lemonade with this variety is the Polar Last. I mixed the two of them together to make the Arendelle drink. Now, since I am obviously working after watching these movies, I'm not going to partake in alcohol, but I would highly recommend vodka with this. Now we have the frozen inspired lemonade. That is pretty delicious. Right next to it, we have the Flounder Popcorn inspired by the Little Mermaid. Then we have the Pizza Planet Pizza Dip, inspired by Toy Story, but there is also a previous video with a recipe. And this popcorn turned out pretty amazing. And just so you know, it's already gone. I mean, there's a whole bowl in there, but your girl's got to show some restraint. And also share with Papa Lamar, if no one already knows that's my husband. And this drink is pretty amazing. I'm going to keep watching my shows here and my movies. And you guys stay tuned. Look forward to whatever Disney movie you've been waiting for. Or, you know, The Simpsons. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.